What's up everybody, it's Sky and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening an Iron Leaves ETB. So here's the box opened. Take the sleeve out. We got a player's guide here with all the cards for temporal forces. And a cool little, I don't know if you can see the inside there, but it has some cool stuff on it. So, for everybody who wanted to know what the box came with, here's all the contents. What we really care about are these 9 temporal forces packs. We're going to get into those in just a second. Before we do that though, I do want to take a look at this promo card. I love Tyranitar personally, so it's a great card. And before we get into the packs, here's a code for the Elite Trainer Box. So, let's see what we can get out of these. Alrighty, let's get into it. To start with, we got a Deerling, Pidove, Pineco, Mawile, Explorer's Guidance, Iron Hands, Morty's Conviction, ooh, Totodile swimming in the lake, ooh, okay, first pack. Always nice to see. A Melmetal, basic energy. There's your code. That is awesome. First pack. Got a Mincinco, I believe that's how you say it. That's a nice card. That's a secret rare illustration, right? Or just a illustration rare? I will take that. We're gonna put that bad boy right there. Open them from the back there. You can get a really nice, easy open. Alright, we already got something nice, but let's keep it going. Deerling, Pidove, Pineco, Mawile, Shaman, Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking, kind of messed me up right there. A Vikavolt, an Electivire, Solasis, and an Iron Boulder EX. Quite nice. We're 2 for 2. Getting some decent cards here. Let's keep it up. And there's your code. Hoping we can keep it up. Can we go 3 for 3? Really open so. Let's see what we got here. Meditate. Turtonator. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Hoot Hoot. Beldum. Shift Tree. Bianca's Devotion, excuse me. Iron Jugless, a Fluttermane, it's a reverse, a Chatot, and another Fluttermane. Is that okay? There's your code. So I guess, what's the difference between these two cards? So that one's a reverse. And this one's like a special. What is going on here? Alrighty, let's get into it. Good pulls so far, I'm happy already. You got a Grubbin, Medicham, Tranquil, Mr. Mime, a Screamtail, Heavy Baton, Iron Valiant, Vincentini, it's a nice hollow, Scorch, and a Quariodon. That's nice. I like that. We got the basic energy. And there's your code. So far, we're getting some nice stuff. Guessing there's a Suicune. I love Suicune. I'm from the silver era. So I love the 3 beasts from that generation. Grubbin, Metacham, Tranquil, Mr. Mime, Iron Valiant, Sharpedo, nice art, Metagross, Vikavolt, holo, Haunter, holo, and a Dunsparce. Okay, I mean, I guess. Here's your code. Alrighty. Let's see what else we can get here. Ooh. Got Raichu first. I like the art. Vincentini, Bronzor, Mudbray, Sandy Shocks, Reuclus, I'm not sure how you say that one, Sawsbuck, Licky, got an Airy, and a Gengar EX. Nice. And a basic energy. I don't mind that at all. I love Gengar. Who doesn't like Gengar? And code. Wasn't expecting a whole lot from it, but pulling through, we already got an art rare. Meditate. Turtonator. I'm just gonna skip that one from now on. Hoot Hoot. Beldum. Great Tusk. Sylvester. Bronzong. Iron Hands. Latias. Ooh. Okay, I like that. And a Bramblegeist. Fair enough. There's your code. 2 more packs, guys. Can't say I'm disappointed though. Got some good cards so far. See if we can get one more good card. Heatmort, Roly-Coly, Asmoril, Yamper, Lycanroc, Sylvester, Palafin, Ponyta, Breedloom, and a Torterra EX. Wait, this is special art. This is special art. That's another special art. Ooh, look at that texture. Oh, baby, we're getting lucky today. And a basic energy. Oh, baby, we're getting lucky today. There's your code, guys. We're down to the last pack. But you know what happened on our last video if you watched it. The last pack was a banger. So let's hope we can get that same energy from this. Heatmort, Roly-Coly, Asmoril, Yamper, Excadrill, Screamtail, Zorora, that's a cool card, Palfin, holo, Maril, holo, and Iron Valiant. There's your card. Hey, that's not too bad at all. That is not too bad at all. We got our promo card here, the Iron Thorns. We got an Iron Boulder EX. We got a Gengar EX. We also got a Mincinco secret illustration, or a rare illustration, I believe that is. And then on top of that, we also got a Torterra EX, which I think this is an illustration rare EX, not a secret illustration rare EX. But still, great looking cards. Hey, not too bad. You get a good amount of cards with this. It comes with everything that you need in order to start playing the actual TCG. And in terms of price to pack ratio, I believe it's in a good spot for that as well. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.